Hello everyone. Today we are going to study a poem that is The Rain, written by William Henry David. So, in this poem, the poet has sketched the scene of rain falling on the leaves of trees. The falling of rain creates a beautiful noise which the poet says is the noise of the leaves drinking raindrops and quenching their thirst. So, the leaves on the upper level catch the raindrop first and quench their thirst, and afterward they passes on the drops to the leaves beneath. The poet offers a metaphor as well. The leaves at the upper level gets the golden chance first, and whatever remains trickle down at the people at the lower level. However, the scene of sunshine afterwards is lovely and is the source of pleasure to everyone. So now I'm going to explain the poem paragraph one by one. So let's begin with the poem. I hear leaves drinking rain. I hear rich leaves on top, giving the poor beneath drop after drop. This a sweet noise to hear. These green leaves drinking near. So, in the first stanza, the poet describes about the beauty of watching and listening to the raindrops falling. First, the raindrop at the top of the leaves and eventually making their way down to the leaves beneath, means lower. The leaves at the top of the plant, which first benefit from the life-giving thirst quenching water, represent the rich people in the society, whereas the lower level, which have to wait for the droplets to fall from the upper leaf, represent the poor. So, the poem says that despite both classes exist in the same environment and same civilization, yet so widely apart. Now, second stanza. And when the sun comes out after this rain, shall stop, a wondrous light will fill each dark round drop. I hope the sun shines bright, 'twill be a lovely sight. So, after showing the rainy season in the first stanza, the poet describes about the sunlight. The second stanza. So, the poet says that when the rain stops and when the sun will come out of the veil of clouds, it will illuminate the environment with its light. It would be a wondrous scene as the sun will shade dark cloud as well as darkness with them, and even the dark round drops in the air or laying on the leaves will be filled with light. The poet is hopeful that the sun's light will be very bright, because the brighter the sunlight after the rain appears, the lovelier scene. So, on the deep level, this stanza shows that the hope of the poet that there will be equality in the society, just like the sunshine which spreads all over the world, giving its shine to everyone, even to the dark round drop of rain hidden under the thick and bleach green leaves. He is hopeful that after the reign of discrimination, there would come a time of harmony and equality. So, I hope You have understood the poem and its meaning.